Home business enterprise tips that are proven to work. Think about where you might be if you didn't have your own home-based business. Some people live solely off their home business enterprise, while others use it to supplement their income. The following advice will help you make sure that your business remains successful. Tip: make it a top priority in your home business to keep your current patrons happy and meet their needs. It is easier to generate income from repeat buyers than to attract new ones. You should be prepared to give a soundbite that can simply explain your business. If you can summarize what your business does in just a few sentences, you are much more likely to impress potential clients in social settings. Making your soundbite too long will lose the interest of potential customers. Tip: if a product that you sell is no longer in stock, say so on your website. Let your customers know the status of their order. Feel free to have breaks during the day, but make sure you dedicate a chunk of your time to just work-related things and don't let the activities in your household distract you. Leave personal phone calls, chores, and errands for when your workday is over. Refresh your mind and body with active breaks like a short session of exercise or working in the garden. Tip: have business cards made up. There are some internet sites where you can get business cards for free. Do appropriate background checks on potential employees. Likewise, verify their employment references. The people that you hire must be dependable and knowledgeable with regard to the product you will be selling, or else your business may fail. Tip: you should set daily goals for yourself. There may be some obstacles to get through, but setting attainable goals can help you achieve more. Look online for business supplies. You should be able to get them at wholesale prices. There are so many options when it comes to saving money on your purchases. Use the information to create the best vendor list possible. Your sales tax certificate will give you the ability to purchase from wholesalers. Tip: be compliant with all local ordinances and zoning laws. If you don't, you may face large fines and your business could be shut down, which is highly embarrassing. Setting up promotions for your business is easy after you become familiar with the procedure. Start with a website. It won't take more than a day to get in place. Sometimes you can register a domain for free, but there could be a small cost to register. Your profits can make it well worth the little expense. Tip: anyone with a flair for the artistic can find work in graphic design. Many places that operate locally enjoy using independent designers because they're more flexible and can also personalize their services. Make a price point for your merchandise. If you plan to manufacture the items that you sell, you'll first need to research and compute what your cost will be to produce them. Standard pricing will be about double your production cost. This equation will help you set a base price for wholesale items. To determine the retail price, you should figure cost x3. Tip: if you are not good at self-promotion, you will struggle with your business at home. Owning your home business means that you will have to talk it up to a lot of possible customers. At first it may seem nice to work in your pajamas, but before long you may miss interacting with others on a daily basis. Make plans to meet people at other places besides your home during the week to stay in touch, reinforce your personal connections and meet the need for interaction with others. Tip: when buying supplies you should shop online in order to take advantage of wholesale costs. For this kind of purchasing, the internet can be a godsend, where you'll find extremely competitive prices on the things that you need. It is all too easy to become consumed with your work when working at home. It is important to have a separate area for work purposes. When you are finished with work, spend time with loved ones, rather than mixing your work and personal life. Tip: you should always save some of the money that you make in a year so that you can your taxes. It is simple to create an account for your taxes and deposit money into that account. It is important as a small or home-based business owner to keep all your business-related receipts. A number of your everyday expenses are tax deductible if you can tie them to your business. Keep all your receipts. You might be surprised about what you can deduct come tax time. Without receipts you will not be able to claim these tax reductions and will pay more than necessary in taxes. Tip: having a capable website for selling your products is crucial when beginning a home business. A website is necessary to broaden your site's potential traffic and increase its sales volume. In conclusion, you want to make sure that you keep your home business running because the money you make from it and the sense of accomplishment is great. Hopefully, you make use of the tips here and can have a successful online business from now on. Tip: when your business environment and your home environment are one and the same, it's easy to get bogged down in work. Set aside a specific area where you complete work and take time off at the end of each day, that is not to be spent on working, but on family and friends only.